I would have tore that table up. I should have been came to you. Listen. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kai Rashawn. Ooh, I didn't came on with my sultry voice. I'm trying not to wake the kids. Today's video is brought to you by OMG Queen Hair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Y'all, did y'all see that install? Well, first of all, did you see how the unit looked out the pack? You saw that, right? Okay, so out the pack, I was a little worried. Okay, I was a little worried, but a little bit of heat goes a long way, and y'all. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from OMG Queen Hair. Pretty sure her name is Bella, and she does come with their brand new, clean, pre-plucked hairline. Now, all the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, as well as the starting price. Just understand that the price may go up depending on the specs you choose for your unit. I'm going to tell you right now, she not cheap, but I think she worth it, y'all. Between the color, the hairline, the gluelessness of this unit, none. Look at this, look. Glueless, okay? Under the lace. Under the lace, sis, okay? Oh, yeah. She is, am I gonna say perfect? Y'all, and she comes with the yak yak. I can't, oh, let me not scream. Let me not scream. Listen, I can't, The color is gorgeous, y'all. Like, I was a little worried. I was thinking like, oh, they're a little too chunky at the top. I was wrong. No shedding or tangling with this unit. This looks so good, y'all. This looks so good. The hair feels amazing. I'm here for this. I literally have nothing negative to say about this wig. I can't. I mean, wait, hold on. Initially, I was a little worried about the hairline here because I felt like the knots were not as bleached as I wanted them to be. But when I use my makeup to kind of, blend that down, I feel like it looks okay now. So, maybe my eyes were playing tricks on me, just a smidge. Now, I got the 18 inches and it comes down right at my chest. The density is, it's a little bit thinner than, personally that I like for myself, but because it is a yaki texture, it does give me a little bit of thickness. So, I ain't gonna press them too much, you know what I'm saying? But, a little bit more thickness, maybe like a 180 or 200%, because I'm pretty sure this is a 150. Pretty sure this is a 150. I'm sorry, it's a 180. Maybe that's why I'm kind of just like, oh, okay. So maybe a 200, okay? I don't even want to take it off tonight because I feel like she's gonna be a look. I'm so mad right now. I should have wore this one for Thanksgiving, okay? I would have tore that table up. I should have been came to you. Listen. I know the color on me is giving me a vibe. I'm here for it. I like it. I mean, I like it a lot. I should have did ASMR. You know when they whisper in the mic? I really like this one. I ain't got no sense. It's too late. I'm delirious. And with their sales they got going on right now, giddy up. Hop on them joints, okay? Real quick, real quick. Send this one to the Sneaky Link, the Sugar Bae, and the Daddy Pawpaw, okay? Get 3 for 1. You hear me? Ain't no rules when it comes to the Christmas gifts. You hear me? Listen, who's the gift? In this hair? Me. Get them all. Who at the door? Who that? Emmy? I guess they ain't sleep. But what do y'all think about this one? On me and on you. What do you think? Let me know down below. Okay, I'm about to go fix me another plate. So, I gotta go. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMG Queen Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.